Hey guys, I'm Valency of class 7. In this video, I'll solve the further part of chapter 3 of Ratna Sagar textbook, which is structure of matter. So let us read the further part of this chapter. What information does a formula give? Let us take an example and explain what information does a formula of compound give. Formula of water H2O gives us the following information. So in this paragraph, they are telling what information does a formula gives to us. Water is made up of two elements, hydrogen and oxygen. This is the formula of a compound. Tell us the types of element present in the compound. So in this paragraph, they are saying that the formula of water is H2O, which is telling us that there are two substances in water, which are hydrogen and oxygen. So firstly, the formula of a compound tell us the name of the atoms present in the compound. A molecule of water contains two atoms, two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. Thus, the formula tells how many atoms of each element are present in the compound. So, compound is also telling us the number of each element present in the compound. Like, let's take an example of water, in which it is saying H2O. So, in water there are two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. H2O represents one molecule of water. Formula represents the molecule of water of the compound. If we represent two molecules, we write 2H2O. Similarly, 5H2O represents 5 molecules of water. So it is also representing the number of molecules of water. Like if we basically simply write H2O, it is telling the one atom of water. If we write 2H2O, it is telling 2 molecules of water. If we write 100H2O, it is telling 100 molecules of water. Now let us take a look at the valency. Look at the formula of some compounds containing hydrogen in table 3.7. Notice that one atom can be different elements, or one group of atom combined with different number of hydrogen atoms. So it is telling to read the table 1.7, which is this one. So it is telling us to notice that one atom of different elements can combine with different number of hydrogen atom to form a compound. Like hydrochloric acid is HCl, water is H2O, ammonia is NH3, and sulfuric acid is H2SO4. The valency of an element or a group denotes its combining capacity. So the main definition of valency is the valency of an element or a group denotes its combining capacity, means how much atoms it can take and give. We take valency of hydrogen as 1. So hydrogen can give one atom from it. Hydrogen can take one atom from other elements. So the valency of hydrogen is 1. The valency of other elements group is a number of hydrogen atoms in which can combine be displaced by other atom. So it is the definition. This is however the old definition of valency. The modern definition is different. You will read in the higher classes. So we need to learn this definition only. In the further classes, they will tell us a modern definition of valency. Some elements such as helium, neon or krypton do not combine at all. Their valency are 0. So the elements like helium, neon, krypton, they do not combine, means they do not take and give any atom. So they have 0 valency. Some elements neither combine with hydrogen nor displace it. In such cases, we consider combining capacity with some other element group whose valency is respect to hydrogen is known. For example, zinc combines with oxygen to form zinc oxide, which formula is ZnO. Since one atom of zinc combines with one atom of oxygen, the valency of zinc and oxygen are the same. Since the valency of oxygen is 2, the valency of zinc is also 2. So it is telling it is not necessary that we take hydrogen always. Like there are some elements which do not combine with hydrogen, so we can replace it with any other element to check the valency of that particular element. Like they have given example. So it is telling zinc. They are telling the example of zinc and oxygen, which when both combine together form zinc oxide, in which the formula is ZnO. So they both have same number of atoms present in the zinc oxide. So one atom of zinc and one atom of oxygen. So the valency of oxygen is 2. Hence the valency of zinc will also be 2. Table 8.3 gives the valency of some common elements and group. You can see that certain elements show more than one valency. They are said to exhibit variable valency. So they are telling to read the table 3.8. They are given some valencies of common elements, and the elements which have more than one valency are known as variable valency. Writing formula. We can write formula of a compound if we know the symbol of elements groups it is made up of and the valency of the element group is made up of. The step involved are as follows. Write the symbol. So here they are telling how to write a formula. So they are telling how to write a formula in which there are elements. We use the symbols and the valencies of the elements to write the formula. Let's start with the process in which how we have to write the formula. These steps are involved are as follows. Write the symbol of the element and group side by side. Write their valencies on top as a subscript of their symbols. Divide any common factor in their valencies. Interchange their number obtained and write them at the base as subscript. To get the formula, let us understand this with the help of the following example. So they are telling first we have to write the elements which are involved in that compound. Then we have to write the two valencies of them. For example, their valencies are 2 and 4 respectively. So we'll cut them 1 and 2. So then we have to interchange their values and then write the formula. They are giving example. The element in ammonia and nitrogen are nitrogen and hydrogen. The valency of nitrogen is 3 and that of nitrogen is 1. So we write them as N3H1. There is no common factor in the valencies, hence valencies 3 and 1. So we move to the third step. Now they have taken the example of ammonia in which elements used are nitrogen and hydrogen. So the valency of nitrogen is 3 and hydrogen is 1. So there is no common factor of 3 and 1 valency. So we cannot cut them. So we move to third part. Interchange the valency and write as subscript. We get the formula of ammonia as NH3. So you must be thinking how they have written NH3 but the formula was coming N3H1. So here we have to interchange the value of N and H. And the valency of N is 3 and valency of H is 1. So we have to interchange them. Then H will become 3 and L will become 1. So it is written here only N1H3, which when further simplified will become NH3. So let's read further. Writing the formula of aluminium sulfate. Now they are telling more and more example to make the concept clear. It is the aluminium sulfate is made up of aluminium and sulfate. The valency of aluminium is 3 and the sulfate is 2. So without interchanging their valency, we can write it as Al3SO4 whole power 2. The formula is this. Notice if that group contains 2 or more atoms, then the group is put in brackets. You must be be thinking why they have put in here brackets, because SO4 is SO4 is an element. SO4 is a compound, and when there are 3, the valency is 3, so in the bracket they have written 3, and Al2 because the valency is 2. Now we have to interchange, which is coming as Al3SO4 whole power 2. So there are given some valencies and the formula of some you can read. So in this video I'll explain till here only. In the next video I'll solve the further part of this chapter. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any queries, please drop it in the comment section below. I'll surely try to solve it in the next video. Till then, goodbye.